camera, dude. The fuck?
Oh, it wasn't even recording, dude. Shit. I swear to God, do it again. Yeah, dude.
Oh shit. Are you serious?
No shit, I'm serious, dude. I took a shit ton of pictures, though. They all came out badass.
How you doing? This is my version of Knife Party by the Deftones. It's been a couple of months since I played, so deal with it.